Hi, I'm Bhavin Surya from Grade 3 Congo. Today, my experiment is how string instruments and tube instruments produce different pitches. First, let's see how tube instruments produce different pitches. For this experiment, we need a straw and scissors. First, we need to flat one end of the straw. Now we need to cut it in triangle shape. And now our tube instrument is ready. Now let's test it and see how tube instruments produce different pitches. Let's blow air in the straw to test it. Now you saw that when the straw was long, it created a low pitch sound, but when the straw was short, it created a high pitch sound. Now let's see how string instruments produce different pitches. I made this instrument in my home to see how string instruments produce different pitches. Now let's see. Once again. Now you may saw that the long strings produced a low pitch and the short strings produced a high pitch. See?